In this video, I'm going to show you how to track wallets using Photon. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first up, open Photon and then select the exchange you want to track. For this tutorial, I'm going to be tracking Solana. And then from here, you'll need to find a wallet or an individual you'd like to track. Alright, so for this example, I'm going to be choosing someone who's recently purchased this coin here called Play. So I'm going to click into Play. And now once we're here on the bottom, you got these different tabs. Click onto where it says Holders, and you can see all the individuals holding this coin. At the moment, there's about 33, 34 holders. And then you simply select a wallet address on the left-hand side, and it'll take you to a web page with more detail. So I'm going to click the one with the most percentage owned. Like I said, this is just for demonstration purposes. I won't really want to track this type of account because you want to track accounts that are profitable or have a good track record. Alright, so now we're on this page here. It takes us to solscan.io. Now you need to go ahead and copy this wallet address like so. Copy to your clipboard. And as I said before, you want to track high quality wallets, not just random wallets as I pulled up here. Now, in order to track this wallet, we can use Cielo Wallet Tracker. It's a free bot that you can find in the description below. Alright, so I'm at the Cielo free bot here. Now, at the bottom of the page, you want to click Start. And then you might get this little pop-up here that says to reduce the strain on your bot and optimize alert delivery, move to one of the following bots. So just pick out which one of these. I suggest picking the colored green ones because it's probably going to be the fastest one. Alright, so I'm over here and now I want to click on Start again. And now from here, we want to click Start. And then we need to, first we've got to click on this and then click Join Channel. And now go back to the bot, click Start. And now Tracking Bot is active. And now from here, it's going to give you a couple options at the bottom. Might be a little pop-up here or at the bottom of the page. So from here, I want to click on Add. Then from here, choose the Solana wallet. And then from here, we want to go ahead and click Confirm. And from here, we've got the option to enter the minimum amount of DeFi alerts. Totally optional. I'm just going to skip this for this demonstration. Now from here, it says write a message. You want to paste in the address here, and then space, and then give it a name. I'm just going to call this TWiz, and then hit Enter. Now it should say wallet added after that. And yeah, and now it's going to track that wallet, and this is going to be incredibly useful. Now, for whatever reason, if you want to go ahead and stop tracking wallets, we want to click onto the menu button and then click onto list, and this says get list of all tracked wallets, tokens and coins. Then from here, we need to click on the edit button, and then we can go ahead and click on remove, and that's going to remove that wallet for you. You've got to make sure to confirm it as well, so you can see that wallet is now deleted. But yeah, that's it for this video, how to track wallets completely for free on Photon.